Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your connection is not private error in your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error your connection is not private on your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome browser. In top right side corner you will find this three dot. You just need to click on that, scroll down, then click on settings. In left side you will find privacy and security. You just need to click on that, scroll down, after that you will find here security. You just need to click on this security, scroll down again. Here you will find advanced. In this you will find always use secure connection. If this option is enabled, you just need to disable this option. After disabling, just you need to type your website. While typing your website, here you can see HTTPS. You just need to do is just delete this S and hit enter. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your connection is not private error on your Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.